Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. Today's video on my 2006 F150. I'm going to do ball joints and lower control arm bushings, but I wanted to show you guys a test that you could do to see if your ball joints are bad, and this works on the F150. Keep it short and simple. What you want to do is jack up underneath the control arm to take the load off the ball joint. Now I just used a bottle jack underneath the control arm, and you can see it spins. There's my ball joint right down in there. The boot's all been torn. The bushings are ripped, but I'm going to show you how to test it. What you're going to need is a long pry bar or longer.
Now ideally what you want to do with the pry bar, as you can see lifting up and down on the tire, you want to look for play between the control arm and the spindle. My boots are all torn up. I know these ball joints have to get changed, but on this one side right now you can see there's a little bit of play in there, but just wait till we get to the upper control arm. That ball joint is toast.
So this is a good example of an upper control arm that is no good. The amount of play in here, especially when you start moving the tire. Can you hear that?
Here's a good shot of that upper control arm with all the play. The boot had ripped, and you can see the ball no longer had any grease in it. It was all dry, and it was only a matter of time before that was going to fail. And then the lower ball joint still had grease in it, but the boot was all torn up, and you can see it's all full of dirt and crap. It's contaminated in there, so that was on the verge of failing as well. But I hope this video helped you guys out. If you have any questions or comments, post them below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.